Let me show you how to use a quick tap feature on Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first of all, let's open a settings on our device, and then we need to scroll down until we find a system. Click on it, then go for a gestures, and here look for a quick tap to start actions. Now if you select that and enable it, you'll be able to choose between different actions that you can perform with a quick tap, and there's also option to require stronger taps to perform it, although for the first time that you'll be using it, I recommend to turn it off. Then we have a screenshot selected, and to use it we need to grab our phone and we need to tap somewhere around here. For some reason, anywhere else you will tap, it won't work, so you need to be very precise with it. And let's try to perform it. It will say that your quick tap is detected. As I said, it's pretty hard to perform, but anyway, I've managed, and that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.